In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the brush tool in Photoshop. Now the brush tool has a lot of settings, has a lot of things that you can do with it. But I have a simple picture of a car here on a PNG, and then I have another layer that's just filled with white. So your brush tool is over here to the left. You can hit B as a hotkey if you really want to. And it has a couple other settings as far as a pencil tool, but the brush tool is really dynamic and you can really use it. So if I were just to draw, you can just draw a simple color, no big deal. We're going to hit Command Z to undo that. But if you go up to the top left here, you're going to see a lot of your brush settings. So you can change the size of your brush to make it really big. You can lower the size of the brush, lower the hardness or raise it. But you can also have different types of brushes. So Photoshop comes with numerous amount of brushes. I have a couple of ones that I purchased over time, but some of the brushes are really easy to use. So you can have really hard brushes, or you can have really soft brushes, and you can see the difference in what they do, in the clarity of them, and how precise or non-precise that they are. You can also use this adjustment here on the top left. If you really want to make it something really specific, you can even paint like this. Like if I wanted, for example, if I wanted to paint more of a shadow underneath this car, I can just go like this, and then you can just paint more of a darker shadow underneath the car. And that's what the brush tool allows you to do. So there's a lot of settings, there's a lot of things that you can do with it, so take some time and mess around with it. And that's about it. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy Photoshop tips on how to use the brush tool and then other tools on Photoshop. Hope it helps.